How to know if somebody is hiding their Instagram story from you. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to know if somebody is hiding their Instagram story from you, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to just go into my Instagram app. And now when I'm on my Instagram app, then what I'm going to do is to just find a person that basically has their story up right now. And I'm going to click on Leo Messi. And as you can see, Leo Messi has actually posted a story right now. And I am able to view the story because he has not hidden that story from me, basically. But let's say that Messi actually did hide their story from me. Then how would I know that he did it, basically? Well, the most easiest way to do so is to actually I'm just going to go back to my profile. The easiest way to do so is to have another account that you can check if they actually have a story on their profile right now or not. So you need to click on your profile name in the top left corner. So click here and then click where it says add account. And in here you can either log into an existing account if you have another account already, or you can click where it says create new account. And when you have done that, then go back to Messi's profile once again and check if he has the story, if you can see his story or not, basically. And if you can see his story on the other account, but on the main account you cannot see it, then 100% you know that he has hidden that story from you, basically. And that is the easiest way and most simplest way to do so. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.